Hello, I'm Charlotte Phillips, clinical hypnotherapist and NLP practitioner at clinical hypnotherapist and NLP practitioner at whatisyourstoryhypnotherapy.co.uk. I've been having a lot of conversations with people about what is hypnotherapy. But that's not real, is it? So if you think about reality, what is real? We as humans tend to believe what we see, and the seeing part, the end, is the end result. The actual physical part is the end result. So everything around us would have been an idea in somebody's imagination that somebody created with their thoughts, and then have put those thoughts and that idea into fruition, like planning it all out. So if you think about simple things like the furniture around you, that concept of, a chair, hasn't always been there. There'd have been something that somebody thought, it'd be really nice to do it like this. And then took that idea and made it reality by creating it. A good example of that is Henry Ford. So he designed Ford cars, but when he had the idea, he told his wife and his family and his friends that he was going to make a vehicle that was going to replace the horse. They thought he was mad, he was bonkers. Nothing could be better than a horse as transport. And they wanted to put him in a mental institute because they thought he was that mad just by having that idea. And look at where we are now, over 100 years later. I've had the vehicles and how fast and everything. But if he hadn't have persevered with his idea and creating it and making it reality, and not believing, believing others instead of taking his own view into action and really actioning his ideas, we wouldn't have the car now. But all of these are good examples that when somebody says, until I see it, I won't believe it. It's like everything started in the imagination with an idea. And with hypnotherapy, when you want to make a change in your life, it helps you visualize, imagine what it's going to be like when you're already there. Whereas at the moment, when you're just looking to get there, so whether it's losing weight, stopping smoking, stopping drinking, being more confident, not having a fear, thinking about, I've always got stress. So thinking about being in control, coping, I can cope. Not having that anxiety. We often stay in that place of, I'm stressed, I can't do that. If I didn't have it, I would. I can't go on that aeroplane because I have a fear of flying. We're putting barriers in our world, limiting what we can do because we're focused on that fear, that anxiety and that stress, rather than thinking what it feels like, imagining what it can be like without it, and then practicing being that. Everything, has a process, takes action, and hypnotherapy can help you get there. Do subscribe to What Is Your Story Hypnotherapy on YouTube, or contact Charlotte at whatisyourstoryhypnotherapy.co.uk. Just remember, everything stemmed from an idea that we see in front of our eyes. Bye for now.